Oh, Jumbotron. I'm so excited to see you.
Foggy morning out today. It's about 20 degrees. No wind though, which really helps keeping warm. We're about 0.8 miles into Mount Sanitas Trail. So far I like it. Pretty cool views. A lot of them are obscured. You can see all of Boulder. Sun rising is kind of pretty, but it's blocked by a lot of fog right now. From the trailhead, it's been nothing but uphill so far. I'm not sure if the other side of the loop is the same way or not, but we'll find out on the way back. It's extremely icy. We don't have any traction on right now, but I'm guessing on the way back down we'll have to equip some traction for the descent. Absolutely love loop hikes. Not a fan of out and backs. That's what we do most of the time. Keeps the scenery changing. View just opened up when we got up here. Can't really see anything though with all the fog. Still kind of cool. Let's see what kind of surprise we got over here. Looks like a nice overlook. Oh yeah. We're at about 1.2 miles into the Mount Sanitas Loop Trail right now. Starting to level out a little bit. Nice break from the steep elevation gain. All right, I think we're at the summit. There's a giant pole up here. Let's go check it out. All right, so we're all done here at the summit of Mount Sanitas. It's very foggy up here today. A lot of the views are obscured, but it's been clearing up. We've been up here about 10 minutes, but not moving here in the winter. Even though it's not windy, it's starting to get cold. So we're gonna head down and do the other side of the loop. From the summit, you just wanna look for the sign and follow that. This side of the loop seems to be a little more gentle with the elevation gain. I see a bunch of switchbacks leading down to the road, which is nice because it's a little slippery today and I forgot my spikes at home. Foot traffic starting to pick up. That's to be expected though here in Boulder and pretty much any hike that's close to Denver.
Yeah.
Definitely less eventful on this side of the Mount Sanitas loop. If you're looking to get out in nature, this is probably not the place. You can see a lot of rural area from most of the trail. If you're out here to get some exercise, this is a great option here in Boulder. Great hike to get some exercise near Denver. Like I said earlier, you're going to be going over 1,000 feet of elevation gain in a short distance. Also, if you have a dog and it's registered with the city of Boulder, you can bring your dog here off leash, which is kind of cool for dog owners, I guess. Look more into that. I don't know too much about that. I just read the sign back there. We're just walking down a nice, wide, even, flat trail right now. I don't know for how long. I'm guessing we're getting pretty close back to the trailhead. Looks like there would be some cool views here if it weren't for the fog blocking. I think that's Bear Peak straight ahead. Just a little over 3 miles. We're back here at the Centennial trailhead almost. Hiking time was about 2 hours. Nothing strenuous or nothing technical on this Mount Sanitas trail. Just quite a bit of elevation gain if you took the side of the loop that we took. That's gonna be it for us today though. If you'd enjoyed this video, go ahead, hit that like button. If you've hiked this trail before, let us know what the conditions are and how you liked it in the comments section below. But until the next hike, I'm Dave Spates, hiking adventure photography.